Hey, it's Daniel Lee. In this video, we're going to go over Facebook profile optimization or profile sort of leveling up your storefront for affiliate marketing. If you do affiliate marketing, digital marketing, then this will be something that you might be interested in doing. I'm going to give you two examples of certain marketers that actually do this quite well. So I'm just going to highlight their cover, profile pics, their bio, and their feature images. Actually, the feature image has actually changed, I think a year ago or so forth. So it is not the square image anymore. So you have like a panel, like a reel and stories look to it now, because you can add your stories to the featured image, featured content of the particular space there on the left hand side. So first of all, we're going to check out Surgeon here. Surgeon Valleys, and you can see the cover photo straight off. He's displaying what you're going to get, which is the free training. You're going to learn the easiest way to create a consistent, predictable income online using your social media account, which is Facebook, which is probably the easiest one to actually get into in terms of getting a hold of people that use in your niche, in terms of reading through health, wealth, or relationship niche. So you can pick one of the three main niches and just sub down, niche down into those three topics. As you can see, it's without doing any of the hard work, which most people would come online, they don't want another job, so they just don't want any being bogged down with another job, like many tasks to do. So this particular product or service that he's offering is going to alleviate 90% of the hard work, and you don't have to actually do the selling yourself. So obviously they're going to give it to closers, high-end closers, but your job is to do a lot of the pre-sale. So when they do go to the sales guys, they're not actually covering questions that you should have already covered and already cleared up on the way through in terms of the pre-sale before they actually go to being sold on the call. Click the link in the bio, and his bio is here. He's got another few clicks here. Instead of his social, instead of his Instagram or IG, he just put some text here to give you that prompt to click down, gives you a visual to click down to his websites and to his Facebook group. And as you see in the intro, it's giving another touch point here in terms of going to a web class or just a free training that he might be getting you to go to. Another point of that, two other points is your profile pic and your actual cover photo as well. So we click on the cover photo, and you see on the right hand side, he has another touch point here where you can click there and go to the affiliate web class once again. And if you go back, again, he's got a bit of a bio there on his photo, explaining a bit about his life and his path and his journey, and then at the bottom it's got a call to action once again. Everything is geared to come down to certain points where he can build his community, build his hub, where he can deliver more value, deliver more of himself, be vulnerable, and open up about his journey as well. And you can see this used to be a square here, just a one image square, but now they're using, because you can use your stories and reels in here now. I think you can use stories, I'm not too sure about the reels, because the reels are still new. You just put your archive stories in here. He's used these quite with the panels, like let me help you make this, and he's got another one here, life count. So he's got certain things inside these that actually represents how he can help you make this a better life. So the next one is Daniel Chow, who's, you can see it straight off what he does, what he's offering, and how you can get this particular design, how you can get paid 2K to 5K commissions without doing the selling yourself. 90% of the work done for you. Click here to earn more. So when you click there, you're going down again to this caption here, to the bio. And so similar to that, so when people first come to their profile, they're setting that stage of authority in their niche, authority in their field and what they're offering. You got a clear indication where they want you to go and how you can get in contact with them so they can give you more value. So if you're just kicking off your own journey on the online social world, in terms of affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing. This is like your storefront. So if you want to become the Gucci, or you want to become the Walmart, the Kmart, so you're going from a Kmart store and you want to go to a higher level store, then you got to lift the game. Fiverr. You get it on Fiverr, or you get it done somewhere. If you're inclined graphically, you probably do it yourself, but you can't outsource a lot of these things for like $5 to $10. And just make sure your profile pic is clear. They can see your face. You're not putting a dog or cat or some weird animal as your profile pic. And apart from that, you can just keep it clean and keep your content clean, away from religious things, politics and so forth. And just keep on building that know, like and trust, and get them over to your community, your Facebook group, and just keep delivering value. So I hope that it helps. If you're looking to boost up your Facebook profile optimization, leave a comment down below. If you're getting started in the social media space and you want to talk about things about helping you out as well. So subscribe if you got any value out of this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.